Hello, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all details about this hotel, accommodation, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and facilities also. So let's see this location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. This review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
Talk about the amenities of this hotel. So let's see.
All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an account prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
If you are planning